Hello everyone, welcome to Yugimenz. Today we're going to open some more Pokemon. We've got some battle styles. We're probably not going to open much more of this set. I'm not that interested in this one, but it's nice to open some product. We've got 10 packs here to open. Of course we're after the Sleepy Charizard, or no Charizard, Tyranitar. Looks amazing. I believe it's a chase card in this set, so shuffle these about and we'll start off with the nice Empoleon pack. I really wish they had have introduced Amazing Rares, but I think Shining Fate has the last of the available ones for Fire. Got Electric, Buffalant, Level Ball. I need these for my deck, but I want them in Rev. Spunk, that looks pretty nice. Glaring Mr. Mime, Scatterbug, Yamper, Lickitung, Turb, and a Vicini Fee. I think that's actually a pretty good card. One of the nice ones. What is the good cards from this one? You were talking about it earlier on. Artillery Houndoom. Yeah, it's the Pokemon that were introduced in the DLC, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's what you get in this set.
You have like a card of the card too. Or the can you remember this?
Yeah. This set isn't my cup of tea, but it is. Just don't know what they're doing with a single strike, double strike, whatever it is. But we've got a camping gear for all your camping needs, and a Galarian Mr. Rhyme. He's doing some sort of dance. You put your left foot out. He is. He's nearly getting as bad as Centiskorch. Centiskorch gets printed to the high heavens. We've got the Galarian Slowpoke with the blonde hair. That's on 10. Got Dark Energy, Rapid Strike Energy. I think this energy is actually pretty good. I think the single strike energy is just pointless. Yeah, it's a gold rare as well. We've got Carcold. The artwork's pretty nice in that. He's having a good time. Galarian Slowpoke, which we've seen at the front. We've got Corphish. It actually looks hollow with the flowers. It's a nice artwork. Oh, they've brought some clay sort of ones into this. That is a nice landed. Roly-Poly, Esper, a Rapid Strike, Scroll of Swords, and a Bolton. But it seems to be after that first pack, which just went downhill. We've still got a good couple of packs left. We'll open this nice Tyranitar pack and hope that we pull the Tyranitar. There we go. We've got the code card for people on TCG game. 2, 3, and 4. Fighting. Leaf, Crawdont, Grumpig. It's a child's drawn that one. Energy Recycler, Show 5 basic energy in your scarf on your deck. Nice, Remoraid, Rapid Strike, Spearow, Persham, Cherub. We've got a Red Hollow Bronzor and a Slazdle. Oh, looking so bad. I hope these last couple of packs are unbelievable. We really need some pack luck here. So here we go. Code 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fire. Stig. Dottler. Pignite. Level Ball, which I want in Rev. The Bug. Pawniard. Mankey. Single Strike. Baltoy. A Horsey, squirting some water, and a Empoleon Fee. Cool art, that's pretty nice. Yeah, the level. I need a play set of level balls. That Empoleon is pretty cool. Nice to see these return to the game. So one full art so far. I really miss the amazing rares. If you see a green code, you know it's bad news. Flipbug, Silicobra, Mantis, and a Drampa. That looks pretty nice. So we'll set you there. 4 packs remaining.
Yeah, dude. Actually,
The what's insane?
yeah, actually.
The auxiliary card.
One return you a deck for a trick card and on.
It was pretty monstrous. So that's a fact, just yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good. For this being a fighting sort of set, there is no fighting energies. I think I've opened 1. Smacko, Honage, Horsey, Mankey, a Bronzor, a Bronzong, and a Claydol. Wow, these packs have not been that good, cheers. There we go. Code. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Water. Girder. Level Ball. Mindfu. Cobra. Galarian, Mr. Mime. Hellsprite. Onyx. Shrew, and a. Oh, he looks a bit random with his thing. So 2 packs remaining. Let's see if we can pull another good hit. Another full art would be pretty nice. Got Water, Carbine, Fearow, Grumpig, Bellsprout, Bronzor, Arcro, Horsey, Galarian, Mr. Man, and a Emboar single strike. That's nice. It's a nice hollow. Our first sort of hollow hit. There we go. He can sit there, and Galarian Mr. Man can go away. So we're on to our last pack. Hopefully it's a bit of last pack magic and not just an absolute whiff. There we go. There's the code. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fire. Got Leaf, Gliscor, Indeedee, Ruby, Houndour, Scatterbug, Honage, Gligar, Electabuzz, a Murkrow. That art looks pretty nice. Sitting in a graveyard. That's probably one of the nicest cards I've seen. And a Lurantis. Terrible. But these are our pulls. We got 3. I suppose you got 3 hits. We got a full art in Polion V, Emboar, and a Vicini V. Well, thank you for watching. We're probably not going to open any more of this set because it's not that impressive unless you get the Tyranitar. There's not much value in the set. But anyways, we'll open probably Shining Fates or something. Thank you for watching.